Turmeric is one of the most well-known natural remedies for inflammation, used for thousands of years in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine. This golden spice has become a modern staple in health supplements, golden milk lattes, and anti-inflammatory diets. Its stark compound, curcumin, is celebrated for reducing pain, improving joint health, supporting the brain, and even fighting chronic diseases. However, as Dr. Evelyn Reed, a functional medicine expert, explains, turmeric on its own only delivers about 30% of its potential benefits because of its low bioavailability. Curcumin doesn't dissolve well in water, is poorly absorbed by the gut, and is quickly broken down by the liver. Most people don't realize they're only scratching the surface of what turmeric can do, says Dr. Reed. To unlock its true power, you need to pair it with the right natural compound that enhances both absorption and effectiveness. That's where unsweetened tart cherry juice comes in, a surprising, game-changing combination that Dr. Reed claims makes turmeric up to 10 times more potent at fighting inflammation. 1. Turmeric and bioavailability. Why we're missing out. Curcumin, which makes up about 3 to 5% of turmeric root, is responsible for most of its health benefits. It works by blocking inflammatory pathways in the body, particularly NFB, a protein complex that triggers inflammation at the cellular level. However, because of its poor solubility, much of the curcumin you consume never reaches your bloodstream. While black pepper piperini is often recommended as a bioavailability booster, Dr. Reed explains that it's only one part of the puzzle. Piperini slows the breakdown of curcumin in the liver, but it doesn't add its own anti-inflammatory power. Tart cherry juice, on the other hand, adds a second anti-inflammatory pathway while boosting absorption. 2. Why tart cherry juice is a game-changer. Tart cherries, Pruna cerasus, especially the Montmorency variety, are rich in anthocyanins, a group of plant-based compounds that give cherries their deep red color. These anthocyanins are known for their ability to block the COX pathway, the same inflammation route targeted by NSAIDs like ibuprofen, act as strong antioxidants, neutralizing free radicals that damage cells, enhance bioavailability. Tart cherry polyphenols help stabilize curcumin and improve its transport in the bloodstream. When you combine turmeric and tart cherry juice, you're hitting inflammation from two sides. Dr. Reed explains, curcumin shuts down NFB and anthocyanins suppress COX enzymes. Together, they work like a natural double shield against pain and swelling. 3. Evidence-based benefits of the combination. This turmeric-tart cherry duo isn't just theory. Research and user experiences have shown multiple benefits. 3.1 Faster muscle recovery. Athletes who consume tart cherry juice after workouts experience 23% less muscle soreness and recover faster. When combined with turmeric, the anti-inflammatory effects are amplified, allowing quicker repair of microtears in muscle tissue. 3. To reduce joint pain and stiffness. People with osteoarthritis or rheumatoid arthritis report improved mobility and less morning stiffness after using this combo. It's a natural alternative for those who want to avoid overuse of painkillers. 3. Reduce bloating and swelling. Lowering systemic inflammation. This drink can help reduce water retention, bloating, and puffiness in the body. 3. For better sleep. Quality tart cherry juice naturally boosts melatonin, the sleep hormone. When taken before bed, it promotes deeper, more restorative sleep, while turmeric eases inflammation that may interfere with rest. 3.5 Brain and mood support. Neuroinflammation is linked to brain fog, anxiety, and mood swings. Turmeric and tart cherries both help calm inflammation in the brain, potentially improving mental clarity and emotional balance. 3.6 Anti-cancer potential. A 2021 study revealed that this combination lowered inflammatory markers in precancerous colon polyps, suggesting a protective effect against colon cancer. For Dr. Reed's anti-inflammatory drink recipe, here's how to make the drink she recommends. 1 cup 8 flounces unsweetened tart cherry juice, 1 teaspoon ground turmeric, a pinch of freshly ground black pepper. Directions: mix the turmeric and black pepper into the tart cherry juice. Stir well and swirl between sips, as turmeric tends to settle at the bottom. Optional: Add 1/2 teaspoon raw honey or a squeeze of lemon to enhance the flavor. Pro tip: curcumin is fat-soluble, meaning it absorbs better with fat. Add 1/2 teaspoon coconut oil or a splash of full-fat coconut milk to increase absorption. 5. Best times to drink: 30 minutes before bed. Helps you relax, improves melatonin production, and reduces morning stiffness. After exercise, a great post-workout recovery drink that minimizes soreness. Morning on an empty stomach prepares your body for a day of lower inflammation. 6. The 1-week anti-inflammatory challenger. Reed suggests drinking this blend once a day for 7 days during the week. Track these changes. Are your joints less stiff? Are you sleeping more soundly? Do you feel less bloated or puffy? Is your muscle soreness reduced after workouts? Most people notice improvements by day 4 or 5.7. Safety and precautions: while turmeric and tart cherry juice are generally safe, Dr. Reed offers a few guidelines. Stick to unsweetened tart cherry juice to avoid excess sugar. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, consult your doctor. Turmeric can have mild blood-thinning effects. People with kidney stones, gallbladder problems, or diabetes should also consult a healthcare provider. Start with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric if you have a sensitive stomach, and gradually increase. 8. Variations and enhancements: add ginger. 1/2 teaspoon of ground or fresh grated ginger adds more anti-inflammatory power and aids digestion. Add collagen or protein powder for joint health and muscle recovery. Make it a smoothie. Blend with almond milk, frozen berries, and a banana for a nutrient-packed recovery shake. Use tart cherry concentrate. If you want a stronger anthocyanin boost, mix 2 tablespoons tart cherry concentrate with water instead of juice. 9. Beyond the drink, supplements, and lifestyle. Reed also created Inflamro, her signature anti-inflammatory supplement with turmeric extract, ginger, and boswellia. But she emphasizes starting with whole food combinations like turmeric and tart cherry juice because they provide vitamins, minerals, and fiber not found in capsules. For best results, she recommends pairing this drink with an anti-inflammatory diet, plenty of vegetables, omega to 3 fatty acids, salmon, flaxseed, and nuts. Daily movement, gentle stretching or walking reduces joint stiffness. Stress management, chronic stress fuels inflammation, so techniques like yoga, deep breathing, or meditation are encouraged. Final takeaway: Evelyn Reed's Turmeric Tart Cherry Discovery is more than a wellness hack. It's a science-backed, natural approach to fighting inflammation on multiple fronts. By pairing curcumin with anthocyanins, you're boosting absorption, reducing pain, improving sleep, and possibly protecting against long-term inflammatory conditions. Try her 7-day challenge. Drink 1 glass each day and pay attention to your joints, sleep quality, and overall energy. You may find it becomes a daily ritual you don't want to skip.